In this video, I'm going to talk about how to use this enable table resizing feature, what we call it pin feature. Okay, the reason why we call it pin feature is that it allows you to pin a table. For example, if I click on this, right, it's activated now. And if I go to ads, you'll see now it has this thing. Do you see that line right here? And then as you can see, the table, the columns here, the Chrome extension is not showing up, right? So what I can do is that I can click here, okay? And that automatically brings the table, okay? So let me turn off the pin, okay? And when I go back to ad set, you're gonna realize the table is now hidden, okay? So every time when I wanna see the data, I have to now go here, click here, and I have to drag. And now you see this is here, okay? Now I have to drag, and then now I have the table. But with the pin feature, okay, so without the pin feature, if I go to ads, again, now I have to drag, right? But the thing is that if I go to ads, right, I drag, I go back to ad set, and I go back to ads, it's there. When I go back to ad set, this is now like, it's back here. The ad set is back here. Now I have to drag the ad set again. But let me drag the ad set, all right? And let me go back to ads. Now you see this is back here. So let me turn on the pin. Okay, now what happens is that I click on it, the pin is automatically activated. You see, now I don't have to drag it. You see, basically it's automatically dragging for me, okay? So I can just click here. Now it's there. So when I go to ad set, you see it's automatically back here, but I don't have to now click and drag. It just makes it easier for me to use, just like that. If I go to campaign, now I don't have to click and drag here. I can just click here, right? So that's just how it works. That's what we call enable or disable table resizing. This is basically a campaign name table that you can resize. We call it pin feature, all right? So if you have any questions, let us know. Take care.